uBrown Mokgosi angazi noma bekayitshela ukuthi sizodlala yini la. And la besingazange ukuzodlala. Ayikho phela into bekade siyimamele lapha. Simoshwele nje isikhathi. Now during the testimony ngisho nabameli bakhe, they looked a bit agitated by this whole proceedings. Angisayikhulumi indaba yama-commissioner. Ama-commissioner nje uyawabona ukuthi nje adinyekile lento eyenzeka la. But there are two things that this guy said that really caught my attention. Kuye kwaphuma i-intelligence referred to someone as John Wick. Now John Wick is being accused of crazy crimes, right? Uthi uMkhosi kuphume i-intelligence econfirma ukuthi kunomuntu ekuthiwa uJohn Wick. Now according to Mokgosi, I don't know how credible this is, but according to Mokgosi, the police, they knew, SAPS knew that uVusumuzi Cat Matlala was uJohn Wick, but they still gave him a tender of 360 million. This is according to Ulo Mokgosi. So that could be true, that could be false. We still yet to see. But another thing that really caught my attention, ile King Misizulu and Lieutenant General Mkhwanazi uthi Brown, they are CIA uthi they are CIA spies. Hayibo adlali la madoda adlali. This concludes day one of his testimony. Sizazobona ukuthi uzothini lo mfolo as his testimony continues, yabo. Kodwa nje so far I'm not impressed. Lento engiyibone ku media a couple of weeks ago nginethemba lokuthi uMkhosi uzoyenza la kuMadlanga Commission angiyiboni manje. Hopefully we are proven wrong, and as the days continues siyabona lento ebesikade siyilindele from uBrown Mokgosi.